It's rainy day with Mama.
Bring the ring, please. Yes. Put it on. Let's put it on. And then we'll dunk it. We'll dunk it.
We already did sensory activities on the swivel chair and weight training. Now doing some tunnel sequence.
Good job, Luke. Hey. Hey, come. Peanut crawl. And through the tunnel. Look. You peanut crawl. Yay. One peanut. Squishy, squish peanut. I know, squishy, squish peanut. All right. Good job. Oh, look at that. Whoa, you like that, don't you? Yeah, one. Good job, Green. I know. You're going there. You're getting there. Yeah, good job. One. Wave. Last one. Yes. High five. Okay, high five. Good job.
We are working on balancing on an uneven surface. We are actually using a cushion of the chair. We are being pretty creative.
Is it yum?
So let's do sorting. It's very interesting sorting because we're going to sort pasta. Okay, so that's what we're going to sort. You ready? You ready? Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
So here we are doing sorting combined with fine motor activity, which I thought was brilliant because he had to actually put the spaghetti noodle into the little tiny hole. And he did a great job.
All right. Mama, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then fist bump. Fist bump.
Now we made it to the physical therapy session. We usually try a wide variety of activities in sequence, currently working on balancing, squatting, side walking, and backward walking. LJ did a pretty good job today.
Remember, we don't have a string. Whoa.
We have a little bit of time to playing with the balloon with Dada before dinner time.